Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous, man, I love this car, 1973 Buick Riviera boat tail. I've been trying to buy one of these cars for a couple of years. They are tough to find at a decent price. That's a nice car. Really like this car. It's got 4,600 miles on the restoration. Car's originally out of Oklahoma. Good, solid, straight body. I didn't see where they had changed any panels on the car. This is the factory color combination. It is midnight blue metallic with the black interior. Car runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Great car. Air blows cold. It has had a repaint. This is the original color though. It's got the original 15-inch Buick Rallies on it with white wall tires. Matching numbers, 455 car. And just a nice car. Chrome's nice, and again, I'm no Riv expert. Like I said, I've been trying to buy one of these cars for a while, and but a lot of like the bumpers would be bad and stuff like that. The trim would be all bad, and so I didn't want to mess with that stuff because I guarantee it's expensive to find. But you can see it's got slick paint on it. There's a couple little things you can kind of pick at, but really nice. Grill's nice. You know, the trim around your headlights there is real nice. It's got, the bumpers are in great shape. You can see how nice they are. Most of them, the bumpers and stuff are right. This is the only thing I don't know. We can't get it to work. I'm assuming those are, it's an inside hood release. I'm assuming those are turn signal lights, but there's 3 bulbs in them, so a Buick guy's gonna have to tell me what they do because I'm not real sure what they do. You can see all this trim, the stainless is nice. It's just so dusty, Nathan. Yeah, there's so much road traffic out here right now. We got a beautiful day and it's so dusty, there's nothing we can do. But at night, you know, there's some depth to that metallic, it looks good. It's got a new front windshield, the rest is the factory soft gray glass. Factory rear defog, it works. Like I said, the only thing I know that doesn't work on that car is those fender mount turn signals. And you can see how nice the rear bumper is. Again, it's got the original Oklahoma City tag on there, the original dealer tag. Nice and straight down the sides. These cars have really cool body lines, man. That's what I love about them. Just a nice car. And like you say, you jump in it and roll down the road and it just glides. These are radial white walls. Again, it's got the factory 15-inch Buick Rallies. Front disc brakes. Matching numbers, 455 cubic inch engine, 400 automatic trans. Factory 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering. Again, it's power front disc brakes, does have factory air. The air blows ice cold. Great car, man. Color is really cool. Little marks on your stainless there. cool car. And like I say, just so much fun to drive. The factory remote mirror, look how nice that is. Again, this stuff's in really nice shape. I love the door handles. Original door tag. You can see the door seams are nice and clean. I almost think this interior is original, guys, and it's gorgeous. It's too nice to be original, though. Power windows, remote mirror. It's got dual power seats, and it all works. Nice. It's got, I think, I told you, rear defog. It works. Look how nice the seats are. And that's just a killer car. Rear seats nice. Headliner's good. Factory tilt column, original steering wheel. It's got the wood grain dash. Look how nice it is. Look how nice it's. Oh, it's got the speed alert sensor on it. That's what that little white thing is at 90 miles an hour. They got it set right now. 4660. That's what's supposed to be on the rebuild. AM/FM 8-track. It works. Dash is beautiful. Factory bucket seat with center console. It's got the stock dual exhaust type setup with the resonators. Factory 12-bolt rear end. Neat car. Factory jack with spare is in here. I mean, that's just a nice car. Fun. So much fun. Again, very original underneath. And I'll tell you what, I'd jump in that car and drive it anywhere. I mean, it hits the road that good. All the power windows work, fronts, rears. Original sill plates. Again, look how nice they've had to redo these seats, and they're too nice. Yeah, that's just a good car right there. And look how nice these are. Say just fires right up, rolls down the road, air blows ice cold. It's a good car. I don't think the clock's working. Other than that, there's really only a fuel gauge in there. Oh, even the seatbelt buzzer works. Backup lights work. That's just a great car right there. It's rolling the windows up and down. Like I say, they all work. AM/FM 8-track works. Killer car right there. Oh, it's got cornering lights too. So when you turn them on, the cornering lights will come on too. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. New cars coming in. I mean, I've always got new stuff coming. Have a great day, guys.